Okay, right. Continuation. Miss Alia, answer this. Alia, madam, answer. Alia. Ashwini, you answer it. First question. 0.8888. Unmute and you can answer. All of you have unmuted already. Just you are supposed to unmute and you have to talk. Dhruva, answer.
Sir, 62 degree 43 minutes.
Okay, very good. 62 degree 43 minutes. This is the right answer. Anybody who didn't get this answer, if you want, Ganasham is coming now. Okay, Ganasham got the answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, second question, you answer it then.
42 degree 35 minutes.
40.
2 degree.
Is it
44
correct?
degree. So second one, huh?
Oh,
Hello.
hello, second
So
one.
second one.
Ganasham, this is 1, this
20.
is 2. Wait, this is 3, this is 4. If this is over, next one. Okay, understood?
Sir, 24 degrees. Sir, second one, 24 degree.
Oh.
35 minutes.
Huh?
35 minutes.
35 minutes. Sure? Are you sure?
Sir, 35 minutes.
I told you already. Because if you want to go to your home, you should. Where is your home?
Sir, in Jagi quarter, sir.
Okay. Then you should not go to somewhere else 1 kilometer away from that. Okay. Yes, I told you already. We had to search carefully. We had to search. It will take its own time. Okay, Alia. Still not answering. Afras. Not answering. Ashwini.
Sir, the third one is 54 degrees 11 minutes.
Who is speaking?
Sir, Afraz.
Afras. Okay. 4545. Second one.
24 degrees 26 minutes.
Very good. 24 degree 26 minutes. Mr. Ganasham, you take your class table. Tan inverse of 24 degree 26 minutes. You search. 24 degree 26 minutes. Are you getting this answer or nearby this one, or your answer is right? You check it up. Cross verify. By that time, Manasa, you get ready with the third answer. Manasa, you were present. Okay, ma. Okay, Manasa, get ready with the answer. I will ask you afterwards.
Okay.
Like this, I had to talk in the case of your CET classes. But whenever it is required, you have to speak, you have to mute by yourself. Whenever it is required, you have to unmute and you have to talk to me. Right, okay. Ganasham, tan inverse of second question answer, your answer is right, or whatever Afras he said, that is the correct answer. Your answer or this answer?
Sir, 24 degree 34 minutes.
Oh,
No, sir.
34 minutes means you are going to get very large value. You will not get this.
Sir, little confusion, sir.
You have to search, sir. Okay. For example, Ganasham, you listen. If an address, if it is given to you, clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If an address, if it is given to you by your parents, you go there, they are going to say. First, what you are going to see? Directly you are searching the home.
No, sir.
Quickly answer it.
Sir, no, sir.
No, what you are going to see first?
Sir, first map, sir.
Oh, map. No, don't worry about the map. Google map. First, you have to see which is that city. Correct now. Which
Yes,
city
sir.
that is? Mysore, Bangalore. Which
Yes,
city?
sir.
Correct now. If it is within Karnataka,
Yes, sir.
then afterwards, Mysore. If it is there, then directly are you going to search for the home?
No,
No,
sir.
no. Then what you are going to search next one?
Sir, asking somebody to
No, not
say the route, sir.
somebody already written. Okay, which is that Mohalla? First we have to see. Is it Siddhartha layout? Is it NR Mohalla? Is it Kuampu Nagar? Which one it is? Clear now?
Yes, sir.
We have to go there.
Okay,
And
sir.
under that we have to see which road.
Yes, sir.
First you have to find out the road which is that. Then we have to see which is that main. Which main? After determination of main that is, then we have to go for which is that cross. After the cross, we have to search for the home. That is the door number or house number. Correct now? If
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
street, if it is going to get vary,
Hmm.
then you are not reaches the particular home. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But your case is not like that. Your case is the city itself is different. You said 24 degree, 26 minutes I have written, but you said 30 something, 35 minutes or something. The city itself, it is changed. Karnataka, within Karnataka, you are present, of course. 26 degree, 24 degree, 24 degree. Within Karnataka, you are searching. But instead of searching in Mysore, you are searching in Bangalore. Are you getting
Sorry, sir. Mean difference is wrong, sir. Sorry, sir.
whatever it
Mean
is?
difference got wrong.
No, mean difference is a lot of difference which will not come. Okay, especially
Sorry, sir. I
you
thought.
should be careful. Okay, yes, right. Pooja,
Sir, 24 degree,
leave it.
22 degree, 22 minutes.
Which one? Which one?
Yes, sir.
Second one.
Which one, Ganashyam? Second one or third one?
4 degree, 22 minutes.
Okay,
Sir, cut.
Pooja answer. Sorry, third one.
Sir, voice is not clear.
Which one? Third one, sir.
Third one. If the voice is not
54
proper,
degree 11 minutes.
Mr. Ganashyam, because of your system problem or your phone problem. Okay. Or maybe your internet problem. Yes, Pooja. Third one.
Sir, 54 degrees 11 minutes.
54 degree, 11 minutes or 10 minutes. Is it 10 minutes or 11 minutes?
54 degree 10 minutes, sir.
Is it 10 minutes or 11 minutes? Search it.
10 minutes, sir.
11 minutes, sir.
7 minutes.
11 minutes, sir.
11 minutes.
11 minutes. 11.
11. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For 11 minutes, how much is the difference?
Exact, sir.
Exact value. Then it's okay. 11 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then at least Syed Arbia. Arbia. Shall I ask you the fourth one? Not answering. Mohammed Numan. Numan,
Sir, 22 degree 30 minutes.
who is answering after us?
Syed Muhammad Numan, sir.
Okay, Numan. Okay. How much?
22 degree 30 minutes.
22 degree 30 minutes. Is it 29 minutes or 30 minutes? Check it out.
29 minutes,
29
sir.
minutes, sir.
29? Sure.
29 minutes.
29.
29 minutes.
29 or 30?
Minute. Yes, sir. 29 minutes. 29 minutes, sir.
For 29 minutes, how much is the difference?
17, sir.
17 difference. 30
So,
minutes.
Sir, it is 0.4142. So it is the closest, sir. So 22 degree 30 minutes.
Okay, now I am asking tan 22 degree 30 minutes. Your answer is how much? 0.
0.4142.
4142.
4142. Especially Ganasham, we have to see that carefully. Okay, I have written this answer. Tan of 22 degree, 29 minutes, how much?
0.4139.
4139. Okay, ma'am. 4139 means here to here it is 2 difference. Here to here it is 1 difference. Here to here 1 difference. Here to here 2 difference. Therefore, I will not go for this. I will go for this. Therefore, it is 30 minutes only. 22 degree, 30 minutes. Like this, we are supposed to see that. But cos
Sir, explain again, sir.
cos function, be careful about the cos function.
Sir,
Because
sin function, can I explain again, sir? Hello?
cos function, we have to subtract the mean difference. Similarly, we have to do it, but subtract the mean difference. That is slightly difficult because once if you are practicing about this, cos function, larger one minus smaller one, we have to do. But sin function and tan function, smaller one I have chosen. You can observe that. Smaller one I have chosen, then I have added and added and added. But cos function, larger one we have chosen and we have to subtract. Larger one we have to subtract. So be careful about this. Okay, now goes to Ganasham. What you want to ask?
Sir, sin function again explain.
Again, tan function not necessary.
Sir, sin function, sir.
Tan function not necessary. Have understood?
No, sir. Two also.
That also I have not understood.
Sir, here in internet problem, sir. Cut.
I cannot help for the internet.
Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
Oh, I cannot help for the internet. Okay. Internet.
So not hearing. Cut.
Whenever if you are using the internet, you have to use the internet only for this purpose. Okay. If the internet, if it is utilizes for 2 or 3 different purposes simultaneously, if your internet down speed or upward speed is said to be some bandwidth is there, that bandwidth is going to get disturbed. Okay. Yes. See here, especially mobile phone internet, if you are using, it is a big headache. Yes,
Sir, it
sin,
is cut, sir. Sir, it is cut.
sin what? What perfect? 0.3. Which one that you want? This one only I had to explain, or any other thing, no problem. Sin inverse of 0.3526. How much is this? I want to calculate. Okay. You had to do by yourself, Mr. Ganasham. Once you understood, take your own time and you are supposed to see that one. Okay. This is the method that I can teach. But 1 problem, 2 problem, 3 problem, 100 problems, I cannot do it here. Taken from all these things from first year PU. All these concepts, it have been already explained in your first PUC classes, especially under first practicals. Okay, anyhow, just to learn it. Sin, natural science. It is not second PUC portion. Sin, natural science.
It was not on.
Sin, natural science, we had to see. Under that, 3-5 is.
Sir, it is cut.
Oh, 3-5, 3-5, 3-5, had to see. 3-5. I am hearing your voice clearly. 3-5, 3-5 is here now. 3-4-2-0. Here it is 3-5-8-4. 3-5-8-4. 3-4-2-0 is present. Okay, I will write it here. Okay, 3-5-2-6. 3-5-2-6. Here it is 3-0-9-0. 3-2. 3-4. 3-5-8-4. This is 3-4-2-0.
Oh.
20 degree. Is it correct? Okay. 0 minute. Ganasham, you switch off your audio. I will explain. Just to listen. 20 degree, 0 minute, 0.35. 35, if you are go on searching here, first column only, 0 minute column. Okay, 3256 is there. Next one 3420. Next one 3584. This is more here. I will write that also. 0.3420. 21 degree here. Okay, 0.35. 3584. You are getting this. 3584. Follow this. 3584. But here I want to get 3526. This is more. 1 degree difference is there. So answer lies in between this and this. So meaning this answer is more than 20 degree. This answer is less than 21 degree. More than 20 degree, less than 21 degree you will get. Meaning you will get 20 degrees some minutes like that. Therefore the larger one I will discard. I will not going to consider the larger one. Smaller only I will choose with one degree difference. Now 20 degree we have to move it in the right hand direction along the same row here. Row is the same. Okay, this is 3420, 3437, 3453, 3469, 3485.
So the in between 30 degree.
Okay, you keep quiet. Okay, 3502, 3518. Here it is 3535. So I will go for this.
Sir, 36 degree, in between 36 degree.
36 minutes. And here it is 42 minutes. Here. Here. I will write both now. Okay, 36, 3518, 0.3518, 42 minutes, 3535, 0.3535. Now, if I'm comparing between this and this here, your answer is 3526. You can observe that 3526. I have written the two answer, more than this, less than this. Therefore, I will discard this and I will take this. But that is not the answer. We have to see under the mean difference. Okay, under the mean difference, we can observe that here to here, the difference is how much? Ganasha, answer it now. How much is the difference between here to here? Here to here, how much is the difference? He's not opening his mouth now. Here to here, 8 differences there now. Here to here, 8 differences there. Under the mean difference, 8 wherever it is present, you have to see it. Otherwise, closer to 8. Wherever the closer to 8 is present, you have to search. So which is at closer to 8? 20 minutes. Under 20 minutes, 20 minutes here, 8. If 8 is present here, what is that? 3. It is present here, that is 3 minutes. So under 3 minutes, 8 is present here. If you are adding these two here, you are going to get this 0.3518. You add this 8 here, addition, then you are going to get here it is 6, here it is 2, 5, 3. You are getting the same answer here. You can observe that same answer you are getting. So this is 3 minutes. This is 36 minutes. This is 20 degree. Therefore, answer is 20 degree. 20 degree. 36 plus 3.
Sir,
39 minutes.
sir, cut, sir. Video is not clear.
I will put it to the, what is that? The YouTube. You can see at whatever the time you want. I will put it to the YouTube. Both today's whole class I will going to put it. You can see how many times you want. Okay. Now next one, cos inverse. Cos inverse, because for your internet problems there is no solution. You have to ask only the communication minister, central minister. You have to ask.
Sir, direct class.
Okay, direct class you have to ask. Corona only you have to ask. You have to ask Corona. Okay. Natural cosines. Okay. Cos function. Cos inverse of. If it is a regular class, are you going to sit now at this time interval? No, cannot be. First of all, I will not take the class. Okay, 0.3185. How much is this? We have to see that. Natural cosines. Natural cosines we have to see. All of you take the natural cosines. Okay, take up that and answer it. 3185. 3185, we have to see natural cosines. You have to see it like this, like this. It's go on decreasing the value now. Instead of increasing, now it is go on decreasing. It is a other way of sine inverse and cos, tan inverse. Sine and tan, they goes together. Similar ideas. If you are going like this now, values go on increasing in the case of sine and tan, but here it is go on decreasing. Okay, I want to get 3185. I want to get 3185. 3185, larger value only we had to go for it. 3185, 3185, 3185. We are getting 3256. 3256 we are getting here. Okay, 3256, 71 degree. And the 0 minutes. 71 degree, 0 minute. We are going to get 3256. 72 degree, if I'm saying here, 3090, 0.3090. Mr. Ganasham, will you kind enough to switch off your audio? 3090. 3090. Now 3185. I want to get 3185. If you are comparing this one, you see that 71 degree, 72 degree. I'm sorry, 72 degree, 71 degree, 72 degree. It is lies in between these two. 3185. This is 3090. This is lesser value. Cos function, since it is lesser value, I will discard. Sine function, if it is larger value, I will discard. And I will take this. And I will take up the larger value and I will go on move it in the right hand direction. The value slowly it is go on decreasing because more than this is present. More than this, if it is present, if we are moving like this, it is go on decreasing slowly and steadily. So let us take up 30. Okay, if I'm going like this now, okay, 3074. Okay, this one I have chosen as 3256. Here it is 3239. Next one 3223, 3206, 3190. We had to see here also and here also. Okay, is it closer and closer? You have to see that. 3190, 3173, lesser than that. I will stop it here. Okay, 71 degree. Okay, this is 24 minutes. Under this 24 minutes, 0.3190. 24 minutes. This is 30 minutes. Under this 30 minutes, 0.3173. Is it clear? Check it out. Now I want to get this 3185. Between here and here, 3185 is lies in between here and here. Out of these two, this and this, out of these two here, this is a larger value. Smaller value. Larger value only we had to select. I had to select the larger value. Because of that one, I can say more than this and less than this, they are occurring the value. I will go for mean difference now. Mean difference, we have to subtract, don't forget. Mean difference, we are supposed to do the subtraction. 3190 is there. I want to get 5 difference here. 3190, you can observe that. 3190 is here. 3185 is present here. From here, I had to do the subtraction of 5 here. Then you will get back this. 5 mean difference here, is it possible to get? You see that. Okay, 5 mean difference. It is not possible.
No, sir.
No, which one is available? 6 is available. I will go for 6. 5 is not available. I will go for 6. 6 under that, which is present here, 2 minutes is present. Under 2 minutes, 6 is available here. I will go for this 6. 0.3190. Difference is 5, but we are getting 6 here. I will subtract 6. If you are subtracting 6 here, you are going to get 0.31. How much? 84 you are getting. So here I want to get 3185, but here we are getting 3184 because of this 6, because 5 is not available here. Therefore, I will select 2 minutes. I will select 24 minutes. 24 minutes, don't subtract here. This one only we have to do the subtraction. This value we have to do the subtraction, but not this answer, but not this minute. Minute we have to add always. 24 minutes plus 2 minutes. How much? 26 minutes. And this is 71 degree. Answer is 71 degree. 24 plus 2, 26 minutes. This is the answer. Like this, we are supposed to search. Okay, because AC theory, whenever if I'm starting, you are going to have cos of 5, cos 9 degree, cos 12 degree, like that. You are going to get cos 12 degree 6 minutes, cos 12 degree 9 minutes, like that. So in that situation, you should not make wrong concepts there. So cos function is coming up there also. We have to see that. Okay, first, you answer these questions now. Today you have to cover it. Sine inverse of 0.8175, tan inverse of 0.8175. Again and again, I have changed the sin, tan, sin, tan. You have to change the pages. Don't see the same page. Okay, 5 questions are given. Still the time is there. You can do it quickly. Rakshita, first question you answer it at least now. Rakshita Yan.
54 degree 55 minutes.
Yes, 4 degree.
54 degree 55 minutes.
54 degree 55 minutes you said. I will check it up.
It is 54 degree 51 minutes.
I will check it up. Let us see.
51 minutes.
50 degrees, 50 minutes, sir.
Let me check it out. Sine inverse 0.8175. $54 degrees, right? 183. Yes, 54 degree. This is wrong.
51
50
minutes.
minutes.
50 minutes.
50 minutes.
Is it correct? Check it out. Others.
Sir, 51,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Is it 51 or 50?
Sir,
50
51.
minutes, sir.
Okay. Again, there is a discrepancy. 50 minutes or 51 minutes. Okay. I will write it here. Sine of 54 degree 50 minutes. How much? Sine of 54 degree.
Sir, the value of 54 degree 51 minute is 0.8174.
81. 81. You
The
said
value
okay.
54 degree 50 minutes is 8174.
8174. For this 51 minutes. Somebody has answered now. You answer it. 54.
8176.
8176.
76.
76. You see that it's a peculiar idea now. 54 degree 50 minutes 8174. 54 degree 51 minutes 8176. But I want to get 75 here. 7476. One less, one more here. Here it is one less, here it is one more. Therefore, both are right answer. 54 degree 51 minutes. This is also right answer. This is also right answer. Both are right answer. One less, one more, both we are getting. One less and one more, both we are getting here. Therefore, both are right answer. Okay, yes, right. Another 6 minutes time is there. Exact 6 minutes time. Okay, to whom that I had to ask? Pooja. She is not open.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
35 degree,
Pooja, yes.
35 degree
33 minutes.
Hedama, 35 degree.
$33 minutes.
Tan inverse, correct? Tan inverse of 0.7.
Sir, 33 minutes.
7148. 35 degree, correct?
$33 minutes, sir.
33 minutes. Check it up. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, madam. Right. Ronald Skiwa. Answer the next one. Sine inverse. Sine inverse of 0.4847. Yes. Ronald? No. No
Yes,
more?
sir.
Okay. No more.
29 degrees, sir. 29.
59 minutes.
20?
9 degree. 9
9
degree.
degree. 29 degrees, sir. That's it.
28 degree
28 degree.
Sir, 29 degrees.
Let
Sir,
us see.
29 degree.
Somebody is
29
saying
minutes.
29 degree. Somebody
Sir,
is
29 degree. 29 degree.
20,
9 degree.
wait. 28 degree. Somebody is saying. If you are saying
Sir,
29
29 degrees. Sir.
minutes,
21 minutes.
29 degree. 29 degree.
Sir, 28 degree 59 minutes.
that's okay.
59 minutes, sir.
Okay, ma. 28 degree 59 minutes. Now, is it correct answer or 29 degree is the right answer?
Yes, sir.
Which one? Which
Sir,
is
28 degree.
Both are
59
correct.
minutes.
both are
Yes, sir.
correct?
Both are correct, sir.
One difference is there here to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here to here, one more. 48 you are getting for 29 degree.
Yes, sir. 48.
48. Then both are right answer.
Yes, sir.
Whatever if you are saying, if it is right, You said for 59 degree, 46 minutes. 46 you are getting. 29 degree, 48 if you are getting, means both are right. Okay. Still 3 minutes time is there. Let us see that. Quickly you do it. Tan inverse of 1.78.
60 degree 44 minutes, sir.
Tan inverse 1.78.
Sir, 60 degree 44 minutes.
60 degree 44 minutes, sir.
60 degree 44 minutes, sir.
60 degree
44 minutes.
44 minutes. Okay. Anybody who didn't get the answer, check it up. This is
31 degree
31
40
degree
minutes,
41
sir.
minutes.
41 minutes.
degree
41 minutes.
41.
40 minutes.
41 or 40 minutes.
41, sir.
41 minutes.
41.
41 sure.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Cos
sir. Yes, sir.
inverse.
41 different.
Now, if you are saying the answer cos inverse, I will be very happy. No problem. Then you have understood. 1 minute time is there.
Sir, is that 4529 or 4527, sir?
Madam, which one? 4527. 4.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, 63 degree 6 minutes.
So the fifth one is 31 degrees 40 minutes.
Is it 40 minutes or 41 minutes? 40 minutes, how much is the answer? Sine.
Sir, it is 31 degree 41 minutes itself, sir.
No, he is answering. You go and answer the next question. I am talking about this answer. Who they have answered? This is right. This is wrong. Okay, for them, sine of 31 degree 40 minutes. Okay, that gentleman, let him answer.